Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPAB. Okay, now let us look at the picture here. So, in the picture, we can see there is a letter pad, there is a writing instrument, and someone is trying to write something. Fine. So, we can say this can be a letter of request. This can be an application for request, etc., etc. Okay. So, actually, why this picture is indicated here? Because today we are going to deal with a different form, and the form number is form number 12, whose title is request for grant of patent. Okay, and for this thing we require to apply for the same via an application. Okay, and this is done via form number 12. Okay, so we can see one thing here. See, just observe. The letters are emerging. This is just a symbol. Here, in the form of letters, the person is going to request for something. And specifically here, this is the request for grant of patent via form number 12. Fine, let us proceed. Form number 12. Form number 12 has the title Request for Grant of Patent under Section 26 subsection 1 and Section 52 subsection 2. Okay. The relevant sections are Section 26, particularly subsection 1, and Section 52, specifically subsection 2. Okay. So what is Section 26? Section 26 is in case of obtaining, controller may treat the patent as the patent of opponent. Okay, so you just mark here, the keyword here is obtaining. Fine, and now we will go to section 52. The title is grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. Okay, so here the keyword is true and first inventor. Okay, that means here if the true and first inventor is cheated by someone, okay, and we can say actually he or she is the deserving candidate, okay, for getting the grant of the patent. But if someone has taken from him or her the invention by doing some fraud, okay, then this section deals with this. That means it will always give the, or it will always grant the patent to the true and the first inventor. That's why the title is grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. Fine, I hope it is clear now. Next is the relevant rules are rules 63A and rule 79. Okay, where rule 63A has the title request made under section 26 subsection 1 and rule 79 is request under section 52 subsection 2. Okay, I hope the whole slide is clear right now. So please try to remember this slide and set it in your mind so that whenever a question relevant to this comes, you can very well answer it. Okay friends, let us proceed. Let us proceed by picking a rule of the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. And today's rule is rule number 79 and it comes from chapter 8, that is grant of patents. Okay, and the title for rule number 79 is, just take a look here, the title is request made under section 52 subsection 2. Okay, so let us proceed for the details of the rule number 79. Rule 79 has two sub rules and I have picked up the key terms or the keywords for the respective sub rules. Okay, for sub rule 1 the key term is certified copy, and for sub rule 2 the key term or the key phrase is a part of the invention. Again I am telling you that you can choose your own key terms. Okay, let us proceed then. Sub rule 1 says A request under subsection 2 of section 52 shall be made in form 12 within 3 months from the date of the order of the appellate board or court referred to in subsection 1 of the said section, and shall be accompanied by a statement setting out the facts upon which the petitioner relies and the relief he claims, and a certified copy of the order of the appellate board or court. Okay, so the key term I have picked here for certified copy. Okay, and this is as per my perspective. Okay, so what happens in subrule 1? A request under section 52 subsection 2 is made in form number 12. Okay, and the time span here is 3 months. That means within 3 months from the date of the order of the appellate board or the court referred to as per subsection 1. That means subsection 1 of section 52, okay, of the said section, and shall be accompanied, that means it shall be accompanied by a statement, along with a statement. And what does the statement do? The statement sets out the facts upon which the petitioner relies and mark the operator, okay, and the relief he claims, okay, and another operator, and a certified copy. That means and indicates mandatory or compulsory thing. So we can say that the facts upon which the petitioner relies and the relief he claims and a certified copy, all are compulsory things. Okay, certified copy of the order of the appellate board or the court. Fine. So the relevant form number is form number 12, whose title is request for grant of patent under section 26 subsection 1 and section 52 subsection 2. Okay, and section 52 says or the title for section 52 is grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. That means patent is granted to the deserving candidate, that is a true and the first inventor. Although the true and first inventor was cheated by someone, and in fraud someone has obtained the patent. Okay. Okay. Subrule 2 says, where the appellate board or court has ordered the grant of patent to the applicant only for a part of the invention, the new patent granted shall be accorded a number in the same series of numbers accorded to the complete specifications accepted on the same day as the patent is granted. Okay, now this is the rule subrule 2, and we can find a different situation here. Okay, what happens here? Where the appellate board or court has ordered the grant of patent to the applicant only, and for what? The applicant only for a part of the invention and not the whole of the invention. Okay, so a part of the invention only. The new patent granted, it shall be accorded a number, and it should be in the same series of numbers accorded to or as per to the complete specification accepted on the same day as the patent is granted. Just remember these things. The key term here is a part of the invention. The another important key phrases are accorded a number in the same series and on the same day as the patent is granted. Fine. And the relevant form number is form number 12, request for grant of patent under section 26 subsection 1 and section 52 subsection 2. And section 52 is grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. That means somehow another person has cheated and in fraud obtained the patent instead of the true and first inventor. And here in this section, the patent is granted to the deserving candidate, that is a true and first inventor. Actually, form number 12 and section 52, these two are not mentioned for this particular subrule, but as a whole to the rule number 79, these two are relevant. That's why I have written only, just for your reference. Fine. Okay, let us proceed then. Here in this slide, an attempt has been made to map between rule number 79 and section 52 subsection 2. Okay, so rule 79 sub rule 1 says a request under section 2, a request under subsection 2 of section 52 shall be made in form 12 within 3 months from the date of the order of the appellate board or court referred to in subsection 1 of the said section, and shall be accompanied by a statement setting out the facts upon which the petitioner relies and the relief he claims, and a certified copy of the order of the appellate board or court. Fine. Sub rule 2 says where the appellate board or court has ordered the grant of patent to the applicant only for a part of the invention, the new patent granted shall be accorded a number in the same series of numbers accorded to the complete specifications accepted on the same day as the patent is granted. Okay, these things already we have discussed, and just take a look to the subsection 2 of section 52. This also we have discussed. Just to refresh our memory, let's read it. Okay, so subsection 2 says where any such order is passed, the controller shall on request by the petitioner made in the prescribed manner grant to him clause 1 in cases where the appellate board or court permits the whole of the patent to be granted, a new patent bearing the same date and number as the patent revoked. Clause 2 in cases where the appellate board or court permits a part only of the patent to be granted, a new patent for such part bearing the same date as the patent revoked and numbered in such manner as may be prescribed, provided that the controller may, as a condition of such grant, require the petitioner to file a new and complete specification to the satisfaction of the controller describing and claiming that part of the invention for which the patent is to be granted. Okay, so rule 79 has the title request under section 52 subsection 2, and this one, that means appellate board or court, are substituted by Act 15 of 2005. That means earlier it was only court, and as per 2005 Amendment Act, this is appellate board or court. These things already we have discussed a lot, so no need for more clarification. Just try to map between these two, that means between rule 79 and section 52 subsection 2. Fine, I hope it is pretty much clear now, so let us proceed. The reference is Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005, and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you all for watching my video and listening to me. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please put down your compliments, comments and queries in the comment box. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.